money is a medium to exchange things, and this thing was developed quite early stages. People used to exchange stuffs to get things, goodies, right? Then they started to use like golds and silvers and coppers, right? And there's those types of things for exchanging goods. But today we're going to talk about how to earn money online, right? It's a very common topic everywhere. Many people talk about this. You can earn it by through investing in crypto. You can do, you can just start making YouTube videos. Well, what I'm doing right now, and you can also make what I can say. You can do freelance and outsourcing kind of stuff, but the most important thing is that do you want to make the money? You have to decide that first, that do you really need the money, or you are trying that out. So if you do need that money, what do you need to do? Be passionate about it. You have to be passionate about it. By being passionate, I mean that being teachable. You have to learn things. You have to get those skills to earn those money. So if you were like clicked on my video to earn money, but I will just kind of suggest you just try to learn more skills will send the money to you